Hi, welcome to Pretty and Camo. I'm going to do just a tiny little bit of a, I guess, car mukbang, whatever you want to call it. I stopped at Robin's on the way to my appointment. I usually don't get a sandwich from there, so I'm going to try this one. And I believe I got the sausage one. So I got it on a biscuit. They asked me if I wanted a little bit of mayo. Glad I didn't say a lot. Then there's the egg patty. Let me turn it over. Oh, the biscuit is, or I guess it's the croissant, stuck to the sausage patty. And then that's the croissant. I'm going to add some leftover ketchup from another time. Yes, I open ketchup like that. It's not going to kill me. So we'll put the ketchup on this side because nothing like a dry side of your sandwich. And we'll flip it back over and give it a taste. Sorry to jar the camera, I'm trying to get a napkin. Thankfully, at some time when we went through a drive-through, I asked for extra napkins. And to drink, I just got a can of Sprite. Yes, I've had Sprite before. It's Friday. I thought I'd just treat myself. The sandwich is very messy with all the mayonnaise on it. It's sliding when I took a bite. But other than that, it is good. So you can see the mayonnaise is squished out. I'm not sure what's wrong with the croissant, if it's just overcooked or what, but it's really, really hard. It tastes okay, but it's almost like it was left out in the air too long or something. No, didn't get mustard on, just mayo. And see what I mean? It's messy. But the ketchup is my fault. I put too much on because I knew the croissant was going to be dry. And it's all falling apart. Get crumbs all over the car. Excuse me for a minute. Sorry about that. I still have this cough that I've had for almost a month now, I guess. I definitely order this sandwich again. Probably skip the mayo. I put my own ketchup on when I get it. But I don't think I'd order it on the croissant again. I think I'd probably order it either on bagel or English muffin. trying not to get it all over my clothes. A school bus is going by. I think today's the last day for school here where I am. Thankfully, I don't have to worry about that. I only have one child, and he's 26. So, hold on. I was like one of the messiest breakfast sandwiches I've ever eaten. I think it was because the croissant was so hard it didn't absorb the mayo and just all went sliding. But overall, the sandwich, the taste was good. The croissant was very hard, difficult to eat, and caused the sandwich to slide apart and be messy. So I would say I would give it like a 7 out of 10. Next time, if I order it again, I will order it on, I don't know, they had the choice of an English muffin, the croissant, or a bagel. So I'll try one of the other things, not the croissant again. Although it did taste good, it was just hard and almost like it'd been in the air too long. And that's from Robin's Donuts. I will see if I can get a clip of the nutritional information when I get home and add it to the end of the video. But thanks for watching. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post bell button so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Oh, excuse me. Oh my, that's awful. And make sure that you have that post bell button pushed and leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.